All right, guys, 2022 Beta 500 RRS here. Just shot a video announcing the changes to the 2023 models, and now I wanted to just really quick here tell you guys about my favorite 5 quirks of the Beta motorcycles that make them a little bit different. Just a few little features you're not gonna find on any other manufacturers really right now. So for starters, it's this seat button, guys. This seat button is really cool. You just push right here. See if I can do it with without holding the camera. So you push the button, the seat comes off right there. You've got access to the battery, completely toolless. You also still retain that toolless air filter access to via just a piece of plastic right here, like the KTM has with like the pop rivets. So pretty cool. Let me tell you, if you work on bikes for a living or very much at all, it was definitely a relief when KTM went from 2 seat bolts to 1. And it's crazy how much time you save just by when you work on bikes every day, just by that 1 seat bolt. Now KTM has 1 in the front, but Beta is 1 up on them with no bolts whatsoever required to get your seat off. Super cool. Props to Beta on that. Number 2, it's gonna have to be the TrailTech Voyager coming stock on the Beta. KTM and other motorcycle manufacturers have their own proprietary computers on them normally, and Beta didn't try to invent the wheel. The proprietary computers, sometimes they can be okay, sometimes they can be a little counterintuitive, and nobody knows better about how to set up a dual sport computer than TrailTech. So yeah, the Voyager Pro would be awesome, but that's $500. So the next best option is this Voyager. You can still load maps and all that into this. I'm pretty sure got your little joystick right here, easy to access on the go. The screen is big enough. It's much bigger than you're going to find on most other dual sports. All right, number 3 would be the split case engine design. Yes, Beta is not the only manufacturer that does this. Honda did this on their motocross bikes for years. I can't think off the top of my head who's still doing this. Somebody's still doing this. But split case engine design means you have 2 separate oils. You have one oil that handles your clutch. You have another oil that handles the top end, the actual engine. And this is so that your clutch fibers, your clutch components, everything that's coming off those friction discs doesn't run through your top end. And that allows you to go a little longer between oil changes or get more longevity out of that top end in the first place. So if there was a downside to that, I'd say it definitely affects weight, and this motor is much bigger, much bulkier, and much heavier than a KTM 500 or 450 engine. However, a lot of dual sport guys, weight is not quite as big of a deal. They want as much durability and longevity as possible, and that split engine design just might be able to give you that. Next, guys, is the lock right here for the steering stem. A lot of dual sports and stuff have went away from this lock, and this is pretty cool, guys. You can lock it right here. Your bars aren't going to turn. It's going to make this bike way harder to steal. So props to Beta for keeping that right there. And then lastly, guys, I've made plenty of videos about this, which you'll have seen if you watch my channel. But the proper place to lift a dirt bike when putting it on the stand is right here. And Beta knows this, which is why they put handle grip right here. And they know that the people that don't understand this is the lifting point, they are a little hesitant because they think their rear fender is a little too flimsy. They shouldn't be lifting from here. Well, Beta has reinforced this idea by reinforcing the rear fender. See this large plastic piece and the finger cutouts? This thing is sturdy as can be. I mean, so you can reach right here with your hand, put your fingers in the grooves, and tells you exactly where to lift at. You're not going to find that on any other manufacturer as well. So, all right, guys, those are my 5 favorite quirks on the Beta motorcycles. All of them have these, and it's very cool. It's something we usually show customers right off the bat. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the join button. Buy your parts from AOMC via the link below and support this channel. Appreciate all y'all. See you in the next one.